Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this accident-free, one-owner 2019 Mazda CX-5 GT. Powering this all-wheel drive SUV is a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 9 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Checking out the hatch of the vehicle, you have loads of cargo space with this nice rubberized cargo mat. You also have 12-volt power and a hands-free liftgate. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express up-down on all 4 windows. You also have the BOSE premium sound system. On the dash is your liftgate, as well as traction control and lane departure warning. On the steering wheel is your hands-free audio and adaptive cruise control. This vehicle currently has 51,913 kilometers. You have a Bluetooth-ready infotainment unit with Apple Carplay and Android Auto ready to go. Your heated steering wheel, dual-zone automatic climate controls, your power port, as well as your gear select, drive mode select, your infotainment settings, and you also have these nice white leather power adjustable memory seats. Now for the back of the interior, you have a great view of the sun and moonroof. You also have pockets in the back of the driver and passenger front seats, rear AC. These are also 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip down cup holder in the center, including a storage compartment, your power ports, and the rear seats are heated. If you'd like to see this 2019 Mazda CX-5 GT in person or a ticket for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you'd think.